麻煩賽道嘅唔係比賽緊嘅船隻盡快離開賽道。We're looking at very strong teams for race 21. Bloomberg in lane 2, Fighting Spirit in lane 3, 開平兄弟龍舟隊 in lane 4, and BRC Dragons in lane 5. 開平隊係領先咗少少㗎啦，但係後邊呢亦都係強勁地追住嘅。好，恭喜開平兄弟龍舟隊首先衝線，之後就係 Fighting Spirit， 就 Fighting Spirit and 香港開平兄弟龍舟隊就會晉級去呢個金杯決賽。Bloomberg BRC Dragons will proceed to the Gold Plate Finals.